Charlotte Voisey and welcome to The Proper Pour. There are all sorts of cocktails for every occasion, every moment of the day, and recently the aperitif style cocktail has had huge popularity, but I would hate for the dessert cocktail to be blown away. So enter the Velvet Monkey. If ever there was a spirit to break the rules and mix things up with, it would be monkey shoulder. So I'm going to start there with 1.5 ounces of monkey shoulder into the tin. Then I'm going to use some of my favourite old school ingredients to make drinks with. Sweet vermouth, a 3/4 ounce. And then creme de cacao. This is a beautiful one, it adds nice texture as well as flavour, 3/4 ounce. Then I'm going to use a little bit of Maraschino cherry liqueur. This is an old school ingredient, adds a little bit of potency, but a really good nuance to a cocktail, so just a 1/4 ounce. Next, 3 dashes of vanilla bitters. There are a few steps to this cocktail, but trust me, it's worth it. And then finally, I did mention dessert, so I'm going to add a little bit of cream, just a 1/2 ounce. This really just binds everything together and gives a nice mouthfeel. So we're ready to shake this up. I'm going to add ice to my shaker and give it a good hard shake. And then strain this up into a coupe. Definitely need the double strain here just to keep all of that mouthfeel and texture nice and smooth. For the garnish, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to take a mint leaf and give it a nice slap. It just adds a great pop of colour and some aromatics which are quite different to the rest of the ingredients in the cocktail. So tread carefully with the Velvet Monkey.